So if you got a Renogy inverter and you're having issues where when trying to run off a 12 volt power, you're not getting anything, no lights, no nothing, when you flip the switch on top. I know this is going to look spooky. This is a brand new inverter. Nobody else has any videos out on this yet. This is an RIV 1230 RCL-1SS. This is a 3000 watt continuous duty inverter, 9000 watt peak with a 100 amp charger. This is a brand new inverter. I'm just hooking everything up and I'm having an issue where my screen on top is dead, which I will show you in just a second. The problem is very simple. You're going to take all these screws out right here. Careful, they are very small. And if you look at where all of my positive wires come in, this is 4-aught, 4-aught, and 1-aught. So I have plenty of sizing there. And you see these 200 amp fuses, if this thing will focus today. That 200 amp fuse is a BFI fuse, is what it says on there. The one I found them on Amazon on an A&S. It looks the same. I will verify this before this video gets posted. I'll put the link to these off of Amazon down below as well. If you can't get it to turn on, let me just show you what it's doing. See the on-off? I got nothing. So I don't know if this was a shipping problem. I don't know if when I finally give it power, if it kind of arced a little bit. They say to make sure that this is off when you go to hook up the battery cables. There's a million different things that could have happened for it to have freaked out and blown the fuse. So if you've got one of these Renogy inverters, I don't know how many of the other ones run these fuses. But my recommendation, take those screws out, lift this up, be careful. This screen and this switch have a rather short wire. It's not enough for you to completely take that off. Yes, you can unplug it, but if you saw the way I had it rotated over, it was enough room for me to be able to get into here without having to unplug those. So I will, if you see this video on YouTube, then that means that obviously the fuses worked and I went ahead and posted this video. So hopefully that helps somebody.